guys, you're watching another video. Today we got a really dope video. We just made it here to the homie shop. This guy has the sickest G80 probably in SoCal, bro. I'm gonna say it right now. Probably my favorite G82 M4 that I've ever seen. My homie Anthony, he has a shop here. I thought I'd stop by, show you guys the G82 that he just built. The homie just wrapped it right now, so it's a new color, new everything, and it looks so freaking good. I thought I'd show you guys on the vlog. As you guys know, I've been wanting a BMW soon. Maybe a G80, maybe a F80. This one's really convincing me though to get a G80. This thing is FindingNick spec, bro. You guys will see why. The color, everything, bro. But anyways, he did a full makeover on the car, so we're about to check it out right now. Check out his shop and maybe go do some flybys, some driving videos. I don't know. Show you guys a G80. I'm sure you guys want to see some more BMW content. So let's go.
What's up?
We made it.
Welcome.
The shop is clean, bro.
This is the front area. This is where you can chill while you get all your mods done. You do all your thing.
They sell hella BMW stuff, so
Yeah, BMW stuff, wraps, and you name it. You know, we'll take care of you.
that's tight. When I get my BMW, bro. This is your old car, huh?
Yeah, that's my old car. This is kind of what,
You guys remember this? I don't know if you guys ever seen this, bro.
kind of what started everything. I kind of just keep it here.
That is crazy, bro. Wide body.
I need to get that next. I want that.
All right? Yeah, that would be sick. Well, he has his first car, or his other car. He's went through like 20 cars since I've met him. Oh my God. It's all BMWs, guys. Sheesh. Oh, that's the interior I want.
G80 right here. We got a G80 on the lift, getting a full exhaust right now.
That's what they do, exhaust,
Exhaust.
wraps,
Yeah.
everything. And then the main car that we came to look for. Look at this thing, guys. Oh my God, bro. So this is G82 M4. It just got done being wrapped and everything else on. You've done so much stuff, I can't even.
Yeah. So
It has to be the most modified G82 I've seen.
I think it is. I hope it is.
It is, bro.
Maybe like as a whole, maybe like not performance wise, but as a whole, I think he.
Dude, so much stuff is done to this car. It is crazy.
Yeah. So we have we did a full wrap on it, full aero kit, suspension, grills.
That's crazy, bro. And the interior, oh my.
Yeah.
This shit is orange. The crazy steering wheel. And a roll cage. That shit's so clean. The seat delete. This car is built perfect, bro. I want one, guys.
Yeah, you gotta get one, bro.
I know. Whatever we get, either an F80 or G80, I think we gotta come here. Get some mods.
Kind of like our favorite part. I think the
Bro, the front ends of these cars are crazy. This is the new bumper too, huh?
new bumper.
So it's completely different than...
Really different from bumpers, the old one.
Damn, bro. This shit is sick, guys. This has to be my favorite G80, G82, G80. Damn. This color's hard. If I didn't expect, I said it outside. I want a red one, bro, if I get one for sure. Oh my God, you can see the cage.
Yeah, it's down to the back.
That is crazy, bro. I did not know that. That's sick. Yeah, guys, this has to be the sickest G82. Oh yeah, that you guys just thought it was the exterior, interior. It's the engine bay too. He's touched every part of this car, bro. Like it's so sick. So many mods, bro. Damn. All the carbon fiber.
Carbon everywhere.
Everything is changed, bro.
I'm gonna change the wires soon.
Look at all that. He's changed everything on this car, bro. It's so clean. That's sick. Is it the all-wheel drive one or two-wheel drive?
No, it's a wheel drive.
It's still fun though.
Yeah, we can still have fun in it.
You can drift it.
Yeah.
I need to get one. This is gonna convince me to get one. But yeah, Anthony's gonna let us. Oh, give us a ride in it later on.
Yeah, we'll take it out and we'll get some like shots.
Have you been taking it out yet with the ride?
No, I haven't. This will be like the official first time.
The first time. He just revealed it today, guys, on his Instagram.
That's why it's like super clean.
Look at this. That's his Instagram, guys, if you guys want to look at it. But yeah, he just revealed it today. That's why it looks brand new.
That's like a brand new car. And it's sitting
Literally. And he's gonna take it out just for you guys, just for the vlog. Are you going to the show this weekend?
There's one I think.
The Tuner Evo?
Tuner Evo?
This needs to be in there, bro.
It does, huh? It just kind of belongs in there.
I'd be scared to drive it, I'm not gonna lie. It's way too nice.
I don't want to miss anything.
Everything is so brand new on this car, bro.
Yeah, everything's like pristine, bro.
But he sells carbon fiber stuff, so I'm sure he's not tripping.
Yeah, you guys need it?
If you guys need carbon fiber stuff for all your BMWs, he sells it. Look, carbon fiber diffusers, wings, everything, bro. And they do wraps. And we might wrap my
Do
GTR.
that. Exactly.
Maybe.
Do that.
Should we do this color? Look at these ones, guys. I gotta show you this G80. This is the interior I want, personally. The red interior with the carbon buckets.
Yeah, I can see
This is what I
one
want,
of these.
bro.
I can see one of these.
I want this interior so
I
bad.
can see one of these too, just going crazy.
I know, that's true. I can see myself with this too. We'll see, guys, but it's either between a G80 or F80 for sure. And then, I don't know, M4, M3, I like both too.
Right? They're both good.
I like all these cars.
But I like the F80s and the hips in the rear.
Yeah, the
So
F80s like wide body,
wide
bro.
body. Yeah, these
But-
are still dope too.
They're still sick.
Just a little bit gutted and stuff.
Damn. That's hard.
Pretty sick. I like it.
Well, I'm sure you guys are excited to see some BMW content. They're tired of seeing Nissan content. They're tired of it. Oh, you can control it on your phone? That's crazy. I want a G80 just for that reason. Green. Damn, that shit's crazy.
Oh, yeah, this is dope, bro.
You literally control it from your phone, guys.
That's nuts, huh?
That is sick. It looks
Yellow
clean.
is so common right now. It's popular.
I know. Everyone's doing it.
I just kept it normal for the reveal, just white. White looks clean because it kind of goes with
Yeah.
the colors, but yellow looks sick.
That is so sick how you can do that.
Yeah, just like that.
Wow, bro. Look at the color. The color looks even crazier, bro. I might have to copy your color. That is sick. I've never seen this wrap, actually. I'm not gonna lie.
2-in-1.
Bro, it kind of looks like the vampire red, but then it looks way burgundy inside.
Burgundy inside, huh?
That's crazy. That has to be the sickest red, guys, I've seen. Damn. I told you, it's like my spec, bro. It's like my dream. G82. Oh, dude. Bro, this shit is so beautiful, guys. It has to be the sickest G82 I've ever seen. It is, bro. I might be a little biased because it's red. Bro, it's crazy. Like, it looks so dark burgundy over here, but when the sun hits it, it's literally like candy red. That's a badass color, bro. Damn, I need to change my map. I love the wheels like that. It's just hard.
It's cool. Like, I was gonna do all black, but I think the little.
No, I like the lips, bro.
Yeah, the lips
It's
just
clean.
Yeah.
Oh, I love these cars, bro.
Right, dude. Come on, it's just new, modern.
Way better than a GTR. It just is. If you think about it, bro, like my GTR's price versus this price.
Yeah, I mean,
Like, why is my interior so ugly compared to this?
I love GTRs. The one thing I don't like is interiors.
I know, it's way too basic,
I don't
bro.
get how they did it so basic. It gives me like.
This shit is brand new. Look at it.
I just leave it on there. I'm like, what the hell?
Where's your YouTube channel? Are you still doing it? Why?
I don't know, dude. You just. We like,
Guys,
we let
if
Nick
you wanna
take care of
see-
the BMW content.
I don't even do it no more. Now you have to take over. If you guys want to see more BMW content, comment down below. Tell him to start his YouTube channel up
I
again.
know, I got it. Maybe I'll do it.
He used to do vlogs, and
I
look at
know.
his car, bro. Like, all his cars have been like this.
No, right? Could
So
have
you
documented
need to-
so many sick
You
jokes.
have so much content to film. They're so nice. I wonder if it's faster than my car. It probably is. Damn, bro. The backseat is so hard.
Dude, the intake sounds like they're so.
You can hear it?
Yeah, they're so distinct.
Oh, yeah, that shit sounds crazy. Yeah, it feels fast.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, we're getting some revving clips. The bags are tight, bro. I miss having a car on bags, guys. Comment down below. Is this the sickest G82 you guys ever seen? Look at that. has to be the sickest one, bro. I think it might have to be the next color, guys. We might have to copy him. Now I want one more than ever. Seeing like a red one, God, dude. It kind of looks like Adrian's from PQ Performance, the G80, except this one's wrapped, and this one has more red in it. God damn, that shit is loud, bro. I don't know if it picks up on camera, but you can hear the intakes like super loud from the front. So sick, bro. We need one, huh? I know, guys, I know. I want to get one. I'm trying to sell the Z. Someone help me sell the Z so we can hurry up and get a BMW on the channel, bro. It's so low. Anyways, I just really wanted to show you guys this car. He just got it done today, wrapped, new wheels, new everything on the car. I think new front bumper. And I had to come and vlog it for you guys because I know you guys love the BMW content. And I know how much you guys love the G80s too, and the G80 content. Guys, look at the cars together. It's a hard choice, huh? Selling the GTR to get a G80? Really not an easy choice, but they're both sick. I want both, realistically. I wish I could have both in my garage, but comment down below, which one are you guys taking? The GTR or the G80? I really want to know. Go check out his Instagram if you guys want to see more of this car. I'll put it right here. And also his business account if you guys want to get any carbon fiber stuff or wraps or anything. He does everything in-house right here at the shop. It's a good example of what they do here. They've done everything to this car, A to Z. Little photo shoot. My car's a monster truck right now, guys. Photoshop it. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys did, smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. A BMW is coming to the channel soon, guys. I promise. Go follow the homie Anthony if you don't already. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.